Hi, I'm Lori Hayden, garden coach at English Gardens. I'm just hanging out at our West Bloomfield location, enjoying all the summer color we have available for you. Do you know that we are continuing to get weekly shipments of beautiful perennials and shrubs? It is not too late to add summer color to your garden and landscape. It can be challenging to keep your perennial garden colorful all summer long. The key is to include some late bloomers that hit their stride now and into the fall. An easy way to identify midsummer to fall blooming perennials, look for our Autumn Additions perennial tag. This will help you out. Here are some of my favorite sun-loving summer perennials. Coneflowers. I'm awarding the coneflower my perennial plant of the year. My coneflowers are so beautiful this year. The orange and red ones are standouts. They are the workhorse of the summer garden. Today you can find coneflowers in many shades, including cherry red, gold, pink, and even orange. Hearty Hibiscus. This perennial will make you wait, but it's worth it. The dinner plate size flowers will be the talk of the neighborhood. The flowers bloom from midsummer to fall. Make sure you have enough room for this beauty because it can get 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. It looks like a shrub, but it's a perennial. This comes up later than most perennials, so be patient, it will return. Alliums. I love millennium alliums, but there's another allium I adore. It's called the Medusa. It has the cool gray-green foliage that twists like a snake and blooms late summer to early fall. The nodding buds look like snakes at the tips of the stems. This attracts beneficials and is drought tolerant and deer resistant. Blackeyed Susans, Rebecca, will bloom for weeks with minimal care. Perfect for the cutting garden and a beginner gardener. Sedum. Upright sedums are the most perfect plant. They look fresh and healthy all season long. They don't bloom midsummer, but the bud sets are so pretty. They are drought and heat tolerant, a perfect low maintenance perennial. Little Lemon Goldenrod. Little Lemon is one of the most compact forms of goldenrod, typically growing only 14 to 18 inches tall and wide. This blooms in midsummer through fall with bright yellow flower spikes. It's a pollinator magnet. Do you need summer color in your shaded area? I brighten up my shade areas with beautiful foliage. Aurelia Cordata Sun King. Try this tropical looking golden beauty. It can get 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. I have 2 of them, one in shade and one in part sun. The one in shade has a more chartreuse color, and the one that's in part sun, the yellow comes out. These look stunning in a group. Japanese forest grass. It's one of my favorites. I use it in a lot of designs. The most fascinating attribute is the cascading habit in which the leaves arch in the same direction, appearing much like a golden waterfall. Plant this grass where it will cascade down slopes, drape over rocks, crawl over the edges of walls. This grass brightens up a shaded area. Corbels, perfect for a shady area. There are some varieties that like a little bit more sun, but keep them watered. These are easy to grow and will blend easily with most other perennials. Shrubs are the foundation of any garden. Butterfly bush. If you love butterfly bush but don't have the room for one, check out the pugster. It is small and compact. It gets 2 feet tall and wide. This little one will bring in the butterflies. If you have a larger area, consider the Grand Cascade. It can get 7 to 8 feet tall and wide. I just planted one in my garden. Rose of Sharon, bold yet delicate. Blue chiffon is a star in the garden from late summer to fall. Candy corn spirea. When it comes to spirea, candy corn rocks with color. It is a garden treat, perfect for a low-growing hedge or compact border. Just check out this color. My Monet Wigilia, a beloved garden shrub for several years now. This dwarf masterpiece has pretty variegated foliage. Its super dwarf habit makes it ideal for most any landscape use. Ninebark. I'm a huge fan of the purple, copper, and lemon candy Ninebark. They will provide so much color from spring to fall. I saved the best for last, Hydrangea Paniculata. These are the most reliable blooming, low maintenance, hardy hydrangeas you can grow. These are the ones that thrive in full sun. They start white and transition to a variation of pink as cooler temperatures set in. A perfect shrub for a small or larger area because we have dwarf, medium, and large scale varieties. Come on in today and check out our summer color. I'm Coach Lori, helping you make your life beautiful by making gardening easier.